you doing, sis?
Hi, my name's Ashen, and this is our whole family. Today, we're gonna make a cool, epic gingerbread house.
A cool, epic gingerbread house?
Yeah, and here's Rain's gingerbread house. Here's so far as my gingerbread house. We have all of our candy right here, you can see.
What is your show called?
Sweetwater Sisters, that's why you're watching.
And who are the Sweetwater Sisters?
This is Rain, finally, and my dad's here too. He's licking off frosting because he loves it. And I'm here to do
And who are you?
I'm Ocean. And I'm gonna help Rain with her frosting so she could put decorations on it.
Who am I?
And my mom's holding the camera and she's putting it on to her. So let's get started.
You should probably go sit next to your sissy if you're gonna help your sissy with it.
Okay.
Here, I'll hold this.
Yeah.
Can you say hi, Rain? Or say cheese? Say cheese.
So no.
She can touch it. She can touch it.
So Rain. So here's our gingerbread house, and Rain's ready. I'll get some decorations so she could get it on.
Say cheese.
She's gonna do some of these first.
You want to show her how? I'll put a little dot.
Yeah, put a little dot. Squish it on. Okay, you try. I want to do.
Okay, see sissy do.
So now my sister's putting on some lights with sour.
Oh, you hit her in the face.
Sour gummies. And Rain is.
Look at her. She's trying.
And my sister.
Yay, Rain!
I want to do the first.
Okay, you need to hold. You need to have Daddy help you by holding it. I don't want you. I don't want it to come out the top.
No, you don't have to help me.
It's really hard, sweetie.
Oh, you're hurting my finger.
Look at Sissy do it.
And Rain and me.
Yay!
And I'm getting some more candy.
Whoop! Camera down.
Now I'm gonna have to help her with things. Okay, Rain. I want to taste one of these.
Okay, don't let Sissy taste one of those.
No. Tastes pretty good.
Let Sissy do those ones. Here, you put it wherever you want to.
Okay.
Say cheese. You gonna put more right here, Rain?
Oh. Oh. Okay. Here,
Yay!
and that one there. Some more to do.
Good job.
And I'm putting it on the frosting, so we both have some jobs to do. I go.
There you go.
We go.
Good job, Rain.